Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you step by step how to crochet a beautiful crown, perfect for kids, parties or photo props. Round 1. Make a slip knot. Chain 2. Insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through one loop to make the chain, yarn over and pull through both loops. That's your first foundation single crochet. Then insert your hook into the chain you just made and repeat the steps to make the second foundation single crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. In this tutorial, I'm making a crochet crown for a child with a head circumference of about 21 inches, so I'm starting with 75 stitches. Adjust stitch count based on your yarn and hook size, keeping it a multiple of 5. For the best fit, try it on or measure as you go. Place a stitch marker every 10 stitches for easier counting. Here is my 74th stitch, just one before the last. Now make the final stitch. Insert your hook yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through one loop to make the chain. Do not close this stitch yet, as it will be joined with the first stitch. Make sure the chain is not twisted. To join foundation single crochet in the round, connect both the bottom edge, which is the side with the stitch markers, and the top edge. First, join the bottom edge. Insert your hook into the first chain, which is the one with the first stitch marker, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through both loops. Next, join the top edge. Instead of a regular slip stitch, insert your hook from the back and slip stitch. This helps avoid creating an extra stitch that can happen with the standard slip stitch. Round 1 is complete. For round 2, start with a stacked single crochet in the first space. This counts as a double crochet. I prefer using a stacked single crochet over a chain 3 because it stands straighter and blends in with the other double crochets. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces. chain 1, skip 1 space, and work 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 spaces. Repeat the pattern, chain 1, skip 1 space, then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 spaces, all the way around. For the last space, chain 1, skip 1 space, then join to the first stitch. Just like in the previous round, insert your hook from the back and slip stitch. Round 2 is complete. For round 3, make a single crochet in each stitch around. Including the chain 1 spaces from the previous round. For the last stitch, work a single crochet in the final chain 1 space, then join to the first stitch. Insert your hook from the back and slip stitch. Round 3 is complete. For round 4, repeat the same pattern of the round 2. Start with a stacked single crochet in the first space. This counts as a double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces. Chain 1, skip 1 space, and work 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 spaces. Repeat the pattern all the way around. For the last space, chain 1, skip 1 space. Then slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 4 is complete. Now for round 5, the final round, make a single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the next space. Then chain 3. And slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain. Next, work a double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet in the next space. Skip one space and slip stitch into the chain one space from the previous round. Then skip one space and repeat the pattern. Skip one space and slip stitch into the last chain one space. Cut the yarn and use a tapestry needle to make an invisible join. Your crochet crown is now complete. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.